I think. We're expecting the first donut just here, so... he hasn't stuck to the script, has he? That's a burnout, F1 style.
Talk about the Pirellis burning out and giving some wonderful smoke as Killarney makes his way up. Back to the front of the main race. Take down, make some noise!
That is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. F1 back in the Motor City. This is where it belongs, this is where we want to bring it back. Can you imagine seeing 26 of those cars either here or somewhere in Cape Town? That's what it's all about. He heads down into Cape Town corner, he's going to come back at us. Hopefully at full tilt.
Oh, here we go. Just lining it up, giving it a few more donuts down there at the start of the race, right? Let's see, Neil only make some donuts. Make some noise, Cape Town down there. We got a game.
We wanted to see an F1 car, he disappeared. Oh, there he is. Here he comes. In front of this big car because these guys are itching for a burnout. Heads back down to Hole's Hook. 180. Oh, lights those Pirellis up.
Huh?
Well, we just heard from Eddie D and his crew how close those walls are. I think that's what Neil is worried about. To pull one here is going to take a little bit of doing. Hopefully we can get that all sorted out because this is one we've been waiting for a long, long time. Back down into Cape Town corner. And here it comes. Full tank.
Making their way down here to South Africa at some point. If you've never been to an F1 race, folks, I'll tell you this, it is amazing. As we can see, Neil is doing a bit of warning, coming back up towards the main straight here. So get down, make some noise as he comes through.
I know he's just going to be doing a couple of donuts more, and then he'll come back into the pit lane. Brian Kappa's going to come out and entertain you for a little bit longer, and then Neil Yanni's going to come back for his final run of the day. Thank goodness Pirelli sponsor those tyres, that's all I'm saying. Man, that's going to be a huge time by the end of this weekend.
Greg, I must say,
I'm hoping a huge dude. I want one right here as well, but clearly it's a bit tight. Hopefully, come on, we need to make some noise here. All right, Anthony, you can hear they want a burnout over here, dudes. Let's get one over here right in front of the crowd. Looks like Anthony and Tony are going to tell them where they want to jump up here. That's how it was here. We want one here, right here.
As we see, nothing is about Cape Town across the stage over here, guys. You want him to come and do donut right here. He told me he couldn't hear you. Let's make some noise. You come and make a donut right here first. You gotta make a noise.
I'm trying to get in touch with Anthony, the king of the world. He had some serious dance moves on him last round. We want to see him doing some more here. Hope he's going to pass it on to Neil via the radio. Tell him we want a big burnout right in front of the main grandstand here.
Are you ready to get
This could be what we do.